General Science Quiz, Biology Quiz Part 1. Question 1. Which among the following is aromatic dried flower buds of a tree? Options A. Black pepper, B. Clove, C. Cumin, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Clove. Cloves are aromatic dried flower buds of a tree. Cloves are native to Indonesia and are used as a spice in cuisines all over the world. Cloves are now harvested primarily in Indonesia, Madagascar, Zanzibar, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. They are also grown in India under the name long. Question number 2. Onion, daffodil, tulip are which kind of stems? Options A. Bud, B. Bulb, C. Chlorophyll, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Bulb. Onion, daffodil, tulip are bulb stems. The best example of a true bulb is the onion. The rings which we see when we slice an onion in half are actually leaves modified to hold food for the bulb when it is dormant. Question number 3. The shape of a Vibrio bacteria is options A. Comma shaped, B. Dot shaped, C. Clusters, D. Sticks. Correct option is A. Comma shaped. The shape of Vibrio bacteria is comma shaped. These bacteria naturally live in certain coastal waters and are present in higher concentrations between the months of May and October when water temperatures are warmer. Question number 4. In which of the following branches of science study of functions, characteristics, and phenomena observed in the living world and the applications of this knowledge to world of machine is studied? Options A. Biometry, B. Bionics, C. Bionomy, D. None of these. Correct option is B. Bionics. Bionics or biologically inspired engineering is the application of biological methods combined with engineering. It is that branches of science which studies the functions, characteristics, and phenomena observed in the living world and the application of this knowledge to world of machine. Question number 5. Which among the following is a correct definition of hematocrit? Option A. Proportion of blood volume that is occupied by red blood cells. B. Proportion of blood volume that is occupied by white blood cells. C. Proportion of blood volume that is occupied by leukocyte and thrombocyte. D. Proportion of blood volume that is occupied by plasma. Correct option is A. Proportion of blood volume that is occupied by red blood cells. Hematocrit levels are used in doping tests of athletes. Hematocrit levels also denotes the blood iron. Hematocrit levels of 38 or higher are normally suitable for the donors to donate their blood. Here, please note that sometimes it is asked in exams about the iron which can help better in blood coagulation. And normally options given are calcium, sodium, potassium, and iron. Iron Fe plus 3, it means ferric iron. The answer will be ferric iron. Question number 6. Bowman's capsule works as a part of the functional unit of which among the following human physiological system? Options are A. Circulatory system, B. Respiratory system, C. Excretory system, D. Reproductive systems. Correct option is excretory system, C. Bowman's capsule is related to the process of ultrafiltration in the functional units of kidneys called nephrons. Therefore, it is a part of the excretory system. Question number 7. Which of the following was discovered by Alexander Fleming? Options are A. DNA, B. Vaccination, C. Penicillin, D. Blood circulation. Correct answer is option C. Penicillin. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin, whose use as an antibiotic has saved millions of lives. Question number 8. Which of the following is a reducing sugar? Options are A. Beta methyl galactosidase, B. Sucrose, C. Gluconic acid, D. Galactose. Correct option is D. Galactose. The dietary monosaccharides galactose, glucose, and fructose are all reducing sugars. Question 9. What makes the main difference between pteridophytes and bryophytes? Options are A. Spermatozoids, B. Archegonium, C. Separate gametophytes, D. Conducting system. Correct option is D. Conducting systems. The main difference between bryophytes and pteridophytes is that the former do not have vascular tissues, whereas the latter have vascular tissues. Question number 10. Cycas, Pinus, Thuja, Cedrus, Abies, Larix are some example of options are gymnosperm, phaeophytes, bryophytes, none of these. The correct option is gymnosperm. So, Cycas, Pinus, Thuja, Cedrus, Abies, Larix, these are the example of gymnosperms. Question number 11. The tiny pores present on the leaves of plants are called, options are stomata, cells, chlorophyll, grains. Correct option is A. Stomata. The tiny pores present on the leaves of plants are called stomata. Stomata are portals in plant leaves that control gas exchange for photosynthesis. Question number 12. Platyhelminths are commonly known as, options are A. Flatworms, B. Roundworms, C. Ringed worms, D. None of these. Correct option is flatworms, A. Platyhelminths are commonly known as flatworms. Their features are dorso-ventrally flattened body. They have bilateral symmetry and complex, and they have differentiated body structure. Question number 13. What are the unique characteristics of platyhelminths? Options: A. Presence of flame cells. B. Ladder-like nervous system. C. Presence of parenchyma in body cavity. D. All of the above. Your correct option is D. All of the above. The presence of flame cells, ladder-like nervous system, presence of parenchyma in the body cavity, and cell fertilizations are the unique features of platyhelminths. Question of 14. Which of the following is the major osmoregulation organ in fishes? Options are: A. Gills, B. Kidney, C. Liver, D. Stomach. Correct option is kidney. Option B. Osmoregulation is the process of maintaining the internal balance of salt and water in the fish body. Question number 15. The part of the body that turns into feathers is in birds. Options: A. Hind limbs, B. Forelimb, C. Pelvic girdle, D. None of the above. Correct option is B. Forelimb. The part of the body that turns into feathers in birds is forelimbs. The forelimbs of birds turn into feathers which help them to fly. Question number 16. Which is not an aerial adaptation of birds? Options are: A. Single ovary, B. Pneumatic bone, C. Gizzard, D. Keeled sternum. Correct option is gizzard. Single ovary help aerial birds in flight by reducing their overall weight, whereas the pneumatic bones help in flight, and the inverted sternum is attached to the flight bones. Gizzards are not found in birds. Question number 17. The mammals evolved from the reptiles in the options are: the Cretaceous, Triassic, C. Devonian, D. Carboniferous. Correct option is Triassic era. Mammals were derived in the Triassic period from members of the reptilian order Therapsida. Triassic period was about 252 million to 201 million years ago. Question number 18. Which protein is commonly found in mammalian milk? Your options are: A. Keratin, B. Casein, C. Caffeine, D. None of these. Correct option is casein. Casein protein is commonly found in mammalian milk. Casein is a family of related phosphoproteins. Milk is a good source of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, and zinc. Question number 19. Apiculture is related to which of the following? Options are: A. Bee farming, B. Dairy farming, C. Poultry farming, D. None of these. Correct option is bee farming. Apiculture is related to bee farming. It involves taking care and management of honeybees to produce honey and wax. Question number 20. Which animal byproducts are made from fat? Candle, linoleum, shoe cream, cellophane. Select codes of the above. Your options are only 1 and 2, B only 2 and 3, C only 2, 3 and 4, D 1, 2, 3 and 4. The correct option is D all 1, 2, 3 and 4. Animal byproducts manufactured from fats include candles, linoleum, shoe cream, cellophane, mouthwash, shaving cream, ceramics, detergent and soap, cosmetics, synthetic rubber, etc. Question number 21. Which of the following is an example of starch crop biomass feedstocks? Options are A. Sugarcane, B. Wheat straw, C. Corn stover, D. Orchard pruning. Correct option is A. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is an example of starch crops biomass feedstocks. Biomass feedstocks include forest product waste, agricultural residues, organic functions of fractions of municipal solid waste, paper, cardboard, plastics, food waste, green waste, and other waste. Question number 22. Which of the following is not used as biomass? Options are these: A. Hybrid poplar, B. Willow algae, C. Iron nails, D. Trap grease. Correct option is iron nails. As hybrid poplar and willow algae are energy crops, these can be used as biomass. Trap grease belongs to urban waste, which can be used as biomass. Iron nails are not biomass. Question 23. Who led the Green Revolution in India? Your options are A. Varghese Kurian, B. M.S. Swaminathan, C. M.K. Gandhi, D. Norman Borlaug. Your correct option is B. M.S. Swaminathan. M.S. Swaminathan led the Green Revolution in India. It was a part of the Green Revolution led by Norman Borlaug. It focused on increasing agricultural yields, especially in the states of Haryana, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. Question 24. What is the ultimate product of glycolysis? Your options are A. Pyruvic acid, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Glucose, D. Ethyl alcohol. Correct option is A. Pyruvic acid. Glycolysis, part of cellular respirations, is a series of reactions that constitute the first phase of most carbohydrate catabolism. Catabolism means the breaking down of larger molecule into smaller ones. Glycolysis breaks down glucose and forms two molecules of pyruvic acid along with two molecules of ATP. The entire process from conversion of glucose to pyruvate is anaerobic, means there is no presence of oxygen. Question number 25. The sexual reproductive organs of Aspergillus are. Your options are Anthridium and Oogonium, B. Spermatium and Ascogonium, C. Spermatium and Oogonium, D. Anthridium and Ascogonium. Correct option is Anthridium and Ascogonium. Sexual reproduction in Aspergillus is rare and take place in favorable conditions. Sex organs are produced on the same mycelium which has produced conidia. Male organs are called antheridium or polynodium and females are called archicard or ascogonium. Female organs develop as a branch of hyphae. The antheridium curves around and bend towards the apex of archicard, as a result of which they become spirally coiled and their tips get fused. Thank you, students. See you in the next part, part 2.